I am parked at a Trader Joe's. Apparently, from what iOverlander said, you can park here. Even though I'm not like technically at the Trader Joe's, I'm like right next to it, on the side, because being in the front seemed way too exposed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my covers up and try to get to bed. And hopefully we don't get the dreaded knock. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. What's up, guys? I've literally been up since 2:30 this morning. It's 6 a.m. right now. I have not gone back to sleep. You want to know why? That was why. Lars has been doing the most. There's been people walking by and like dogs and birds, and he's just been like tearing the window covers down and stare at them and jumping. Oh, God. I played with him. I fed him. And he still... Yeah, that's Lars for you. He rarely does this. I mean, he usually wakes me up at least once every night. But it's never been to where I couldn't fall back asleep. So... But he is going crazy tonight. Hey, Bubby. What do you need? We're going to get you some outside exercise today, okay? All right, guys. I'm going to try to go to sleep. If not, I'll just see you guys on the road. Whatever, man. Who needs sleep anyways? Let's go to a freaking hot spring. Show me what real love is really like, and I hope you know you're perfectly designed. I hope you know you're perfectly designed. Okay, so I just got to Pagosa Spa in Springs. I didn't realize this was gonna be like a, I don't know, like a bathhouse kind of situation. I thought it was gonna be just like a hot spring I usually go to, which are the ones you like hike into. But I didn't do any research. I just typed in nearest hot spring and I clicked on that. So yeah, I guess this is where we're gonna be. Now that I'm seeing it, I'm sure this is not free, so. I can already smell the eggy smell of sulfur. Hey, Bubby. Oh. All right, Bubby, I need you to listen to me. I need you to listen carefully, okay? I'm gonna be going through the hot spring and I'm gonna turn on the heated blanket for you so you can be nice and toasty, okay? And then we're gonna go find somewhere to be warm today for the rest of the day. Deal? I said, deal? I think we got ourselves a deal. Yeah. All right. Sweet. So yeah, guys, I got my wristband. I'm just gonna put up my window covers and then go into the hot spring, I guess. I'm gonna let my phone charge a little bit more. It's almost dead. And I guess I'll bring my headphones so I can listen to some music. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to film anything in there. I'm gonna try. Obviously, I'm gonna not get anybody else in camera. So if I can't film without getting anyone else in camera, I just won't film and I'll tell you guys about it after. But I'll try my best to get like a couple shots at least. But yeah, there's like a cafe here. Yeah, I didn't expect all this. By the way, I am in Colorado. So I'm not sure if you guys remember me saying that there's only a few states that I haven't been to. And officially now on this Vlogmas journey, I've taken 2 off of that list. I'd never been to Louisiana and I'd never been to Colorado. So, wow, here we are in Colorado. And you guys remember how much of a good time I had in Louisiana. So I'm hoping to have even better time in Colorado. Only bad thing is that there's literally nowhere near where I am to park overnight. I think this is like one of those towns that just does not allow overnight parking. So we're gonna go dip, and after that we're gonna have to hit the road and head somewhere else where there is parking availability. But it's a good thing that I left early. It's only like 8 a.m. So we'll have plenty of time to drive later today. But yeah, let's go hit the hot springs. So in case you guys didn't see that, that was a sign for a thing called the warrior plunge, where you're supposed to submerge in the hot springs and then go submerge yourself in this chilly, freezing cold river. And it's snowing around here, so I know it's ice cold, but I'm still thinking about doing it. We'll see. All right, this one is called the lobster pot. It's 109 degrees. After this, I definitely didn't want to do the cold plunge. This is really hot.
He made it in.
Ah!
Look at that.
That was freaking insane, dude. That was freaking wow. I don't know how to explain that. That was exhilarating. That's the only word I think that can sum up how that cold plunge just freaking felt. That was exhilarating. Right, Bubby? He wasn't even there, and he agrees. Well, I am about to go to the cafe. It's a cafe right on site. Get a hot coffee. And then we're gonna come back. I found a walking trail that's literally like right next door to here, pretty much. So me and Lars will go on a little walk after that, so we can get some exercise and hopefully not repeat tonight. So yeah, let's check out this cafe. I feel so good right now. Whoa. That felt, yeah, that was awesome. All right, so I was gonna go to the cafe, but I figured I have so much food here, so I'm just gonna cook in the van. Ran out of propane, so I'm refilling it right now. But yeah, I'm gonna make a ahi tuna croissant breakfast sandwich. But yeah, this sounds much better and way less expensive. All right, let's get cooking. Oh no. What a great way to start the day. It's like noon right now, and I've already driven to a new state, dipped in a hot spring at 109 degrees, and then done a cold plunge in a freezing cold river. I don't know how those ducks were in there. Like, that was insanely cold. And now I've made a beautiful breakfast sandwich from the comfort of my van in Colorado. It does not get much better than this. It really doesn't. Get some of that yolk. Cheers, guys. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm making such a mess. For the bev, we've got a organic green juice. It's got 17 kale leaves, 1 pound of spinach, 1 large apple, 1/4 English cucumber, 1 stalk of celery, 1 lemon, and 2 inches of ginger, all in this little bottle. That's refreshing. This sandwich, I've never had like smoked ahi tuna before. I've had normal ahi tuna, but never smoked. This is changing the game right now. Like, smoked salmon is still like the GOAT, but wow. This is so freaking good. I gotta tell you guys, I started this year off in a weird place because, I don't know, I was in a new van. It felt very new. I had a bunch of new subscribers. I felt like a lot of pressure. And I was not really vibing with this van at the beginning, if I'm being completely honest. I really wasn't vibing with it. But I am so in love with this van and van life in general right now. Like, I really am in love with my life right now. And without getting too, but if you had told me 3 years ago I'd be in love with my life right now, I would not have believed you. I'm just glad that I found van life, and I'm glad that I found this YouTube channel. I'm glad I found all of you guys, because my life would not be the same without you guys. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I'm gonna eat the rest of the sandwich, and I honestly might come back after taking Lars on a walk, because I have a pass where I can come in all day. So I might use that today, but we'll see. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button, leaving a like, leaving a comment. It means the world to me. It helps me and Lars out tremendously. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me. So until next time, guys, peace.